What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to transform this selfie photo to become this cozy Christmas look like this. How to create this photo transformation, it is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is Google AI Studio. Then don't forget to do the login first with your email. And after that, you can start to click this Try Gemini 3 or chat with the model. And for example, I will click this one and go to this images category and click the nano banana. And after that, you can start to upload the picture that you would like to change and put the prompt like this. Change this picture to be a warm and cozy Christmas scene featuring a young man sitting cross-legged on a green rug in a living room. And also he is wearing the cream-colored knitted cardigan with the red and green stripes and light blue pants. And also he is smiling while reading the Christmas card that says Happy Christmas. And also behind him stand a very beautiful decorated Christmas tree with the red, green and gold ornaments, sparkling tinsel garland, and also warm fairy lights, and also wrapped gift sit under the tree. And after that you can start to click run and kindly wait for the result down here. Well guys, basically by using the same prompt, you can also have the chance to have a little bit different look, but still in a one theme, which is the cozy Christmas photo. So maybe the difference is about the angle of the picture guys. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it's gonna be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this prompt. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.